I'm Sandra Buttigieg, the newly elected President of the European Health Management Association. I'm the President, but I have colleagues on the board, which I consider to be my team, or rather EHMA's board team, that we hope to bring more energy into the field of healthcare management and leadership. There's so much that we can do, but we cannot do it alone. We cannot work in silos. And the first thing that came loud and clear from this conference is that we are an important stakeholder. We are an important stakeholder with researchers, with those who have won European projects, or rather vying also to win European funding in their projects. We can help them have a greater impact apart from the scientific excellence that they can bring in.